Hello friends, this is Lini Hachinsu. Welcome to my channel that is all about enhancing what you have. Today we are reviewing Clio Kill Cover Glow Cushion in the shade Sand, that is the darkest shade. It comes with a refill. It claims to be a high coverage moisturizing cushion foundation that makes your skin glow. Powerful broad spectrum SPF 50+, PA++++, blurring the appearance of blemishes and fine lines, enriched with green tea water and hydrating agent Collagen Air. It's made of high quality plastic with reflective mirror-like packaging. I love the metallic and pastel pink colors of it. It has English instructions mentioned, and that made everything so easy for me as an international customer. It comes with a mirror and cushion sponge. It feels like a basic sponge to me with a silk band on its back. The sponge feels quite bouncy and it's stitched well too. So before we get more into the review, let me tell you how to change its refill. So we have to push it from its bottom and it will come out. Then we have to adjust the new refill like this, and once we hear the click sound, it has been installed. That's it. Feels quite dense and it releases a reasonable amount of product upon pressing. This shade Sand that I bought is a yellow undertone foundation. It is quite pigmented but liquidy and lightweight at the same time. Now I'm going to prep my skin with Laneige Glowy Makeup Serum. Now let's apply the cushion foundation. Clio Kill Cover Glow Cushion has a faint signature Peri Pera or Clio smell. If you use their products, you would know what I'm talking about. So I have taken a dip into the cushion and just putting it all over my face before blending it. This foundation is blending into my skin within seconds. Are you noticing it? I have dry skin and it feels moisturizing and not at all cakey. It is covering all my blemishes. Oh my god. I would say that it is a medium to high coverage foundation. The coverage is buildable and it doesn't feel cakey at all. It's fascinating to see a glowy cushion with a high coverage and hydration at the same time. Wow. This cushion applies thinly with high coverage. My mind has blown. I haven't fast forwarded the video or anything. You are watching this as it is happening. It is applying smoothly as compared to all the cushions I have ever used. That's how I look with one layer of foundation. One dip into the cushion has covered my entire face quite well. It has covered all my imperfections. A few of my blemishes are peeking through, but it was a single dip. Wow, this cushion looks like skin. Everything looks so smooth and natural like my skin, but better. Don't you think so? Or am I being delusional? Correct me if I'm wrong. I still have my dark circles showing a little, so I will conceal it because I'm doing a makeup tutorial video. The link to this makeup look is in the description box in case you guys are interested. The glow of this cushion is phenomenal. A little goes a long way and spreads evenly with this cushion. The formula keeps my skin moisturized, but it doesn't feel heavy or greasy throughout the day. If you want a matte look, then you can always powder. You can see how flawless my skin looks up close. My pores are blurred. It isn't sitting into my fine lines. It isn't creasing, and it isn't patchy at all. That's how I look in the selfies. After 5 hours, there is no creasing or patchiness. It is still lasting well in April's hot weather. Let's do a transfer test. It does transfers a little, but it doesn't look uneven on the face after the transfer. My skin looks fresh even after 5 hours in this hot weather. No pores are showing, no cracking or creasing anywhere. I think I have found my holy grail. Kill Cover Glow Cushion is the best cushion foundation I have ever used. I will rate it 4.5 by 5, 0.5 minus due to the transfer, and I will recommend it to all of you. Bye.